In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Shopify store from the public, perfect for making changes behind the scenes or prepping your site before launch. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to the online store section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Preferences to access your store's settings. Scroll down to the Store Access section. Here you can enable password protection by toggling the switch. Keep in mind, your Shopify plan must support password protected stores to use this feature. Once activated, your store becomes hidden from the public. Only people with the password you set can access it. You can also customize the password page with a personalized message letting visitors know when the store will be fully live. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now private, giving you the freedom to work behind the scenes without worrying about unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and check out my other Shopify tutorials.